Hi, today in front of me is Zenfone 10 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first open the settings, then scroll to the advanced and tap to the gestures. Here to the gestures, to the screen recorder section. Here you will see the record audio sections, which internal audio to microphone if you want to comment something, or also you could mute your videos by switch it to none. Also, we got one more way how we could open the screen recording settings. Just open the control panel first, find the screen recorder icon, hold it for a while, and you'll see here the same record audio section, and just select one from the available options. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, hit thumbs up and subscribe our channel.